Hey everybody, so here is just a quick little video of how I have made my Bitmoji cards. So I've done a whole bunch of different things so that I have all sorts of different cards. They just have a ton of fun Bitmoji things that you can do. So how I start, go to Amazon, and at Amazon I type in Avery. And then I want the business cards. And so when I did that, so you want the business cards that are clean edge. And so the ones that I did that I really like are actually 8376. And so they're ivory business cards. And so then that pops up and I just get the Avery ones here. Last time I got a 2-pack so that I have a couple more. It doesn't really matter. I choose matte ivory because I don't know, just because I did. So this is the one that I have bought a couple of times and I really like that. So then, again, you can do these steps in any order, but, buy the Avery things. So then I go and I Google Avery and I want templates. And so whatever you buy, if you buy a different one, that's totally fine. But what you want is Avery templates. And it's 8376. And I go with a Word one. And so because I have Word on my computer, that works. So you find templates for this, and there it is. They're 2 by 3.5 inch. And so you just pull that up, and then I just download it. So then I download it right here. I just click Microsoft Word. And then I have that downloaded. Then after that, so you just download templates. And you might enter your email address. I have done that. So, and I don't mind. I give them a different email address, not my school one. So then when you open it up, here it is. You have, this is the template. And so when you click in here, it just types into each one separately. So from there, what I've already done on my phone is I have opened a Google Doc. So I will show you that. And I did this part on my phone because that's where I type my Bitmojis from. So if you have the Google app and you have Google, I don't know, what is this? Word things. If you have that, you can just then go in and type and pick all the Bitmojis you want and put them on there. Now when you do it, they are a ton bigger than this. So if we went back into my Google and did Bitmoji, so for cards, they start out bigger than that. They start out pretty big. So I usually get like 2 per place. But then you just click on it. And once it comes up, you can just click on it and then you can size it. You just take it down on it. You just like guess. And so you make it little. Then I'm going to go here and I'm just going to copy. So I did it with I just did Control C, but you copy it and then you come back over into your Word document, say this one wasn't here, and then I just Control V it, or I just paste it, and then I think, oh, is that the size I want? I don't know. Well then if you want it bigger, you can just drag it bigger, and if it's too big, you just drag it smaller, and then you get 10 per sheet. So there they are. From there, on my home computer, I struggled to print from Word. I don't know why, I just did. So if you want to, you can just go into export, and then I export them as a PDF. And so here's all of my Bitmoji cards. And I have, as you can see, just a ton of takes. And that way, so when I go through, so I have the Word document and the PDF. There's all sorts of good things that I can do and I just make, 5 copies of each one. And so then you just print to wherever is going to be best for you to print to. And then you end up with all of these cute little cards that once you have them made, so now I have 250 of them made and torn apart. And I actually made them into 2 envelopes trying to stay organized a little bit. So I have the ones of, oh wow, you've already killed it, great work. And then there are some others. So most of these are you already did a good job, but may the force be with you, or maybe a kid is having a rough day, or a coworker, or you've got this, drive safe, make good choices. There's all sorts of different things that I have cards for. I appreciate you. Some hang in there's knowledge is power, thanks. Just all sorts of things that you can do. But again, if you have them copied and printed out, then you just quick write something on there. So I usually end up with like a little name right here, and then I just write a little note. And so it doesn't have to be long, but there's your cute little face saying, hey, I'm proud of you. You've done good work.